In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-sort in Google Sheets the best way. If you've ever used a regular sort in Google Sheets and watched your original data get shuffled out of place, you know how stressful that can be, especially on a shared sheet. The method I'm about to show you keeps your master list untouched, stays saved even after you close the file, and lets you jump between different sorts in a single click. It's all powered by filter views. Start by selecting your entire data range, including the header row. Make sure you're not grabbing extra blank rows or columns, just the actual table you want to manage. Then head to the Data menu, hover over Filter Views, and choose Create New Filter View. You'll know it worked when the sheet dims slightly and a black border appears around your selected range. This is your personal viewing layer on top of the data, not a rewrite of the data itself. Now, look at the header row. You'll see little filter icons. Click the filter icon in the column you want to organize. Maybe it's name, date, or price, and choose Sort A to Z. For text, that's alphabetical. For numbers, that's smallest to largest. If you need the reverse for any reason, Z to A is right there too. Instantly, the rows are arranged without moving a single cell in the underlying master list. Here's the magic. This filter view remembers your sort. Add new rows later. Maybe you paste in a batch of entries or someone on your team updates the sheet, and whenever you switch to this view, everything snaps back into perfect order. No more resorting the whole sheet, no more accidental data scrambles. Just click the view and you're set. The best part is flexibility. You can create one view sorted by name for quick lookups and another sorted by price when you're comparing costs. Switching between them takes a single click from the same Filter Views menu under Data. Each view is its own saved arrangement, so you can move between perspectives without ever disturbing the original master layout. This approach is especially clean for big or shared sheets because filter views are designed to be safe, consistent, and repeatable. They give you reliable, unbreakable sorts that live with the file, so you can come back tomorrow and everything is exactly how you left it. If this saved you from a sorting disaster, hit that follow button for more Google Sheets tips.